Welcome to the Design Portal BootCamp lesson on an overview of Cloud Data APIs. Over the next half dozen lessons, we'll be covering features from brainCloud's Cloud Data APIs. brainCloud provides a flexible set of APIs for storing and retrieving the data for your app and its users. In this lesson, we'll illustrate how these APIs are organized and give a brief explanation of each feature. Cloud Data APIs can be categorized in three groups: App Scope, User Scope, and Group Scope. In App Scope, the cloud data is accessible to all the users of the game or app. In User Scope, the cloud data is local to just the user. And in Group Scope, the cloud data is accessible to all the users in the group. Groups are useful for representing organizations in apps and clans and guilds in games. Now let's look at specific APIs under each scope. Under App Scope, we have the App Record. The App Record contains the app ID along with all the information about your game or app. The App Record can contain global entities and/or unowned custom entities. Note, custom entities are a premium feature of brainCloud and require a Plus plan to use. The App Record can also contain global statistics and global properties. The App Record keeps track of all the app's users. Under the User Scope, we have the User Profile. The User Profile contains the profile ID and all the information about the user and their state in the app or game. The User Profile can contain user entities and/or owned custom entities. The User Profile can also contain user statistics, friend data, and user attributes. Users, of course, can be part of a group. Under the Group Scope, we have the Group Profile. The Group Profile contains a group ID along with all the information about the group, including all the users that are members of the group. The Group Profile can also contain group entities. Let's dive into some specifics for each feature, starting with entities. brainCloud entities are full JSON objects and can be as simple or complex as you'd like. Entity objects have a unique ID that is generated by brainCloud when the entity is created. At creation, entities are given a developer-friendly defined entity type, which is useful for organizing and doing specific retrievals of the objects. Entity objects are generally retrieved in bulk when an app starts, and then updated in real time while the user interacts with it. Statistics are atomic numeric values that are manipulated via special concurrency-safe API. Statistics rules must be predefined at design time on the Design Portal and are managed in real time by brainCloud. Statistics are not directly set. They're initialized with a starting value, and then they are operated upon by special increment or decrement methods. In this way, statistics are concurrency safe both at the user and global level. Another key feature of statistics is that they are tightly integrated into the gamification systems of brainCloud. User attributes are somewhat similar to statistics, but the value portion of the key value pair does not have to be numeric. In addition, attributes do not have rules. Your app is free to create and assign attributes to users in any variety at any time. Friend data is used primarily to publish information about the current user that is viewable by other users. This is most commonly used for social leaderboards where key information about the player, i.e. its name, XP, level, etc., provides a better context for competition. The structure of this data is completely under the control of the app. Global properties are set at design time using the Design Portal and available to all users of the app. These are convenient and dynamic replacement for global constants or a properties file. They are generally read when the app first starts, making it easy to make changes to the behavior of your published app without deploying an updated build. Over the next several lessons, we'll be diving into each cloud data feature in more depth. Global entities and user entities is the next lesson in the Design Portal BootCamp.